morning everyone. Today I, student of class 9 and my friends are going to represent the universe of atom. So the characters of this beautiful and interesting play are the judge, very tired, just wants to go home, has a massive garden. John Dalton, old-fashioned, dramatic, carries a giant pool ball. J.J. Thompson, a theoretical breaker, wearing a apron, carries a giant chocolate chip cookie. Ernest Rutherford, an energetic action hero carrying a love gun. A Niles Bob, a neat, hyper-organized, parking a lot attendant with a clipboard. Behind glass and a balance scale. So now the scene begins. The judge sits at the main desk. The Dalton, Thompson, Rutherford and Bob stand at their defense posts and arguing loudly.
In the court, we are here to settle the ownership of the atom. Mr. Dalton, you will the first lawsuit. State your case.
Your Honor, in 1803, I proved that the atom is unbreakable, solid and indivisible sphere. I like that pillar board and then that man broken it.
I upgraded it, John. In 1897, I discovered electrons, negative subatomic particles. The atom is a sphere of positive charge with negative electrons stuck inside it. It is a glorious chocolate chip cookie.
It is a lie, JJ. In 1911, I found alpha particles at a thin gold foil. Most of them went straight through empty space, but some of them bounced straight on my face. 99% of atoms are empty space, and mass is packed into a tiny positive center known as nucleus, and electron revolves around them like a planet. Exactly like this.
Wait, hold it right there. I am upgrading Rutherford's model. Ernest, if your electrons spin widely, physics says that they will lose energy and fall into the nucleus, then the entire universe will explode.
OMG! The entire universe explodes. Everyone on the stage panics and ducks under their desk. Wait, a second passes.
They didn't explode. Yes, exactly. Because in 1913, I concluded that the electrons have fixed energy levels, so they don't fall into the nucleus.
Suddenly, the door burst open. James Chamberlain's come walks in slowly with a magnifying glass.
Stop the trial. Your Honor.
So be careful.